come and have a taste of our local juice.
Sending my greetings to the general public and our honored elders and our honored guests, both national and international. We are honored that you came to attend this occasion. No, I don't need this, don't worry. Yeah. Okay, as Ousmane Dieng already introduced the memorandum of cooperation we had with ANC Party of Senegal, I'm about to read the details of that memorandum of understanding so that the whole Gambia can know where we stand with ANC. The preamble is as follows. Considering the factors marked by globalization, the highways of information, telecommunication, of bringing people together, the Apple National Secretary of Senegal and People's Progressive Party of the Gambia have agreed beyond ideologies and doctrines in twinning to form a strong partnership based on complete independence, non-interference, and mutual respect in each other's internal domestic affairs. Cognizant of existing bilateral relationship between Senegal and the sister Republic of the Gambia, desiring to promote further developed cooperation between the two countries by strengthening the protocols and the spirit of Senegalo-Gambia Secretariat. Therefore, in consideration of the mutual interest above, the parties have agreed the following articles. Article 1, political level. Work in the direction of accompaniment and support for democracy, respect for human rights, and rule of law. For the two parties in contribution to their nations while consciously not initiate in each other's country's political affairs. Article 2, education. Educate each other on various political strategies to enhance each other's political capacity. Training the younger generation in becoming better leaders of today and tomorrow. Assemble seminars to sensitize women and youth in participation of party politics. To encourage and prioritize participation of the disabled at all functions in our society. Article 3, sport. Create a synergy of actions like football, basketball, wrestling, and all kinds of sport known to these two countries to promote young talents and establish adequate infrastructure. Article 4, culture. Nurture the cultural exchange with the establishment of companies to enhance drama and music industry of the two countries. Religion. Stimulate the importance of all religions in the political process. Article 6, economics. Train women and youth in entrepreneurship and trade exchange between the two countries, including new products, exploitation of markets of both countries. Article 7. Both parties will begin to cooperate under the framework of this MOC as of the date of the signature by the party leaders. This MOC may be amended at any time with written consent of both parties. This MOC may be terminated by either party, providing 3-month written notice to the other party. Therefore, in witness to these parties' signature of this MOC, original copies in both English and French will be received by the Secretary General of both parties. This is what the MOC entails, and if anyone have further inquiries about this MOC, we don't have time to elaborate on each article. I will be happy to receive all your questions and answer them. Thank you all.
briefly in Wolof, say something about in Wolof. That's why.
Okay. For the benefit of those that speak Wolof and Mandinka, I was just tasked to kind of summarize the memorandum of cooperation that we just signed between these two political parties in these two local languages. Wow.
Right. What I'm tasked to do is to deliberate on what Bakari just said in English, in the local languages. Léegi ci fan yu néew ci gannaaw diggante parti PPP ak parti ANC bu Sénégal dafa am lëkkaloo boo xam ne moom lañ nangutoo ci diggante ñaari parti yi ni ndax boo xoolee jamono ni moo doxee ak njëriñi information ICT ci jokkale nit ñi ak mbir yi ci jamono dafa mel ni ki kenn mënut a dem bàyyi sa morom gannaaw so because kenn mënut a dem bàyyi sa morom gannaaw ñu gis ne kon wara waxtu bi jot na pour ñi nga xam ne ñoo bokk am jubluwaay ak yéene ñu boole seen xelaat ak seen xel ñu nas ci li nga xam ne mooy jëmale ñaari kuréel yooyu noonu kanam ci ponk yi nga xam ne moom lañ nangutoo ci ñaari kuréel yooyu noonu mooy mbiri politique suñ ne politique nag am na xel yu bari yoo xam ne dinañ ñaaw ci ne mbaa Sénégal duñ ñëw Gambia di bokka suñ politique wala Gambia duñ dem Sénégal di bokka ci sañ politique déedéet loolu mënut a am waaye politique bi nii li moo saafara mooy naka la ñaari parti yi nii di mun a seetee li nga xam ne mooy seen doxalin ci parti yooyu noonu ci li nga xam ne mooy jëmale seen politique kanam naka lañ mën a weccee wante xelaat yooyu noonu ak nas yooyu noonu pour ñaari parti yëpp ñu mën a njëriñoo ci li nga xam ne mooy political exchange boobu noonu ideology and approach bi nga xam ne moom lañ di def ci political approach loolu mooy benn ñaareel bi mooy ndaw yi ak jigéen ñi ndax gis nañ ne ndaw yi ak jigéen ñi dañ leen war a dooleel ci li nga xam ne mooy wàllum politique ak li nga xam ne mooy liggéey pour yóbbu sa réew kanam kon ñu gis ne ndaw ñi su fekkee ne ñoom ñooy njiiti ëllëg yi te njiit gi sax commencé nañ ko tey kon dina am solo lool su fekkee ne ndaw yooyu noonu tàggat nañ leen tàggat boo xam ne dinañ mun a jiite kuréel yi nga xam ne mooy yóbbu réew yi ci kanam te ñun ñëpp xam nañ ne jigéen tamit réew mënut a dem kanam jëm kanam mënut a am te jigéen ñi bokkuñ ci li nga xam ne mooy jëm kanam boobu noonu ci liggéey yooyu noonu soo ñu ne jigéen ñi ak ndaw ñi foog ñu nasal leen ay pexe yoo xam ne dinañ ko wecci wante ak suñ naataango yi nga xam ne ñoo nekk Sénégal ci naka dañ mun a yaxanalee li nga xam ne mooy seen liggéey bi ñoo def ci commerce ci entrepreneurship ñu ne ñaari réew yëpp soo ko seetloo dafa mel ni ki ñoo bokk ak culture mooy aada ak cosaan su fekkee ne ñun ñoo Sénégal ñoo bokk aada ak cosaan kon dina rafet pour li nga xam ne mooy suñ cosaan ci ñaari réew yi nii ñu jéem koo puus jéem koo yóbbu ci kanam ndax mu mun a fesal suñ ñaari réew yi nii ndax réew mënut a dem kanam te amuloo aada ak cosaan dafa am solo ci dund nit doomi aadama dafa mel ni ki taati garab boo xam ne amut reen suñu reen yi mooy suñu aada ak cosaan loolu foog ñu dëgëral ko ci li nga xam ne mooy lëkkaloo bi nga xam ne moom la ñoo am ci ñaari kuréel yi nii ba pare and what's the other point religion muy mbiri diine ñun ñëpp xam nañ ne diine dafa nekk loo xam ne dafa bokk suñ dunda fii nag suñ ne diine amut ci xaaji ak seen dañ ne diine moo xam christianity moo xam islam moo xam judaisme moo xam bépp diine boo xam ne rek diine la te gis nañ ne war a lëkkaloo ak li nga xam ne mooy jëm kanami ñaari parti yi ak ñaari réew yi nii ci gàttal ci tënka loolu mooy li nga xam ne loolu la Bakary wax fi nii ci angale pour baamtu loolu noonu ci soose Bakary Cissé membre diamola jang ñing lokum fula tambila PPP partio aning ANC partio men ya lonko na parti leader honorable Keba Idialo wala ya nyaton kaya aning monsieur le maire Moussa Sy même mu Parcelles Assainies la mayoti anda tele mu ANC fanan partio la nyaton koti lokum fula komanto kulle bije men ya lonko nyim parti fulol ye wolle siti nyobala kafu nyomo ya ka kafu nyoma ka je ko nyim banku fulol bawo ngalon ne ko nyim banku fulol la kuol be sunkundi nyokan banku titano ye moñotu koma woto nin kuol be larin wo nyama nyim banku fulol nyanta jibe la lemben na kuol nin kafuno la nyamen pour ka je ko na nyim banku fulol nin na kuol ni yeta nyato wokan ni e kolo siroke dunia kuol ka tama nyamen mbenga lon ne ko banku te kerin wara mote kerin me ya lon ko isitano e kilin ini mo man kafu nyoma woto wokan nyim pati fulol i sonta nyin ku danta ne la ko ibe wolle tamande la nyim pati fulol tema anin ila mol tema wolo nyinti ko politiko ni ko politiko dum modol hakilo si chaaw isa foko fo Sénégal binan na banko kan nyane Gambia jam ke daken na politiko kono bang fo Gambia fana bita Sénégal de ke dake Sénégal ko la politiko to hani one thing bari nyim pati fulol taran wala bije tanya la bije men ya lan ko ke la political samba wala nyama pour kay la pati woni yirwandi wolondo mbe wala falin na nyobulu isaje ko ye men so do ku betoto ntol sata ibulu ntol fana nga men so do ku betoto political tamandi nyato ntol fana si o tambulu ka ke la pati woni samba nyato wala mo political ni nakoti ngalonko political waram banko atitano nyato imam musol ning foninkel kafu ñoma yesembentu ñoya yesembentu woto wo foninkel ni be sembentu yala foy sike molti me yalon ko ibe mako lale ke la fahamro ning fanundi isaje ko isalon dunya ko katama nyaadile ni furata nyaaton kaya plasoto ibe lawo nyaaton kaya ni sambal no nyaadile pour asike nyim banku fulol be nyaato tati ani yirwa ngalon ne ko musol ila mabe o politiko kono waran ila manya politiko kono akumaya tale amanke ko musol nyante muna fanne la politiko doron ne kono musol be safaro kono le woton ko mba jibe no la nyaadi le nyim musol ani nyim fondin kewol men yalon ko wolle be nyim parti fulol kono ani nyim banku fulol kono mbe la ko nin sunkundi yalo nyaadi le pour ide nyol dema yirwa la pour membe denning entrepreneurship ngko fana dino ninko dino jang mafo ko musulmaya dino waran christian dino ko ko dino mem dino be mbegal ko dino be bota alaleya woto mbajeno la nyaadile dino abinan na balu ko no nyaadile ayen na balu nyaanyin sahayandi ayen na balu nyaanyin betyandi isaje ko na dunya balu nyin atakira nye kensen because ngamira wolom dino nyin nafati mo la balu nyin kono kuma la sutiya kama même be foda asiyata de bari nin ko be wobbe dala ke woto la killing woto bi be suban na jan woto kuma la sutiya kama ni mo ko te men yalon ko Bakary Cissé même na national youth president ay wole fo angale kan to ala barka ba and now what we have in the program is I want to introduce our visitor, our guest, Ousmane Madike Fall. Ousmane Madike Fall is the president of the PPP Diaspora branch. Ousmane Madike Fall is not here just by coincidence. Ousmane Madike Fall's presence here in this gathering today is very important. It's very important because Ousmane. Yeah. Okay. Allah barakabak. Allah barakabak. Ousmane Madike Fall. Ousmane Madike Fall. Like I was saying, Ousmane Madike Fall's presence here is not just a mere coincidence. He traveled all the way from America to be with us today in this gathering. That shows what importance Ousmane Madike Fall and the PPP Diaspora branch attaches to this party. He is here with us today. He would deliver a speech which he has prepared, and after his speech, he would present this very wonderful machine that you see lying in front of us. This machine here is an ID printing machine. We have already, as a political party, started printing our membership cards through this very machine. A lot of us in this gathering here today, cards have already been printed. As you can see, there are a lot of cards that are displayed here. The VIP and the high tables cards are already there. After Ousmane Madike Fall's speech, we would be giving out those cards to those individuals. And each and every person that has already registered with the party, you will receive your membership card. So without taking much of your time, I would give Ousmane Madike Fall the floor for him to deliver his speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Honorable Keba E. Jallow, Secretary General. Honorable O.J. Jallow. Distinguished members of the Gambia delegation. Good afternoon all. My name is Ousmane Madike Fall, President of the PPP USA chapter. On behalf of the USA executive leadership, okay. On behalf of the USA executive leadership, to name the few, VP Lamin Mane, Secretary General Fatou Kinenjai, and the great Keba Nanko. And all the members of the executive team down in the USA who are members of this great party, they all send their greetings and want to thank you all for all you do. It's a great honor to present the membership device to the PPP leadership here in the Gambia. The ability to provide our supporters with a membership ID serves only to advance our mission. As a reminder, we collectively are a part of something greater than ourselves. And together, we will work hard to advance the Gambia, first, foremost, always in the interest of our Gambian people. A very sincere thank you to Secretary General Keba Jallow. We are extremely, extremely proud of your leadership. And we want to thank you. Under your leadership, PPP is gaining traction, and we are collectively, we will support you 100% to take PPP to the highest level. And I thank you all. I just want to thank Honorable O.J. Jallow. I'm you know, you inspire me. You know, you are a great leader, and I thank you. Everything you've done for PPP, we all see. The whole world see. And we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Look at us here, young, everyone. We're behind you because of you. You know, thank you.
Thank you so much.
I know. Hello, can we listen, please? I know this is a very happy moment for everybody that is present here today. We are very much appreciative of the PPP Diaspora Branch gesture in reaching out to the party's demands and requests for providing us with this magnificent ID machine. This is unique in its sense. This is very unique. So on behalf of the PPP, now I invite our very able party leader and Secretary General of the People's Progressive Party, PPP, in the person of Honorable Keba E. Jallo, for him to deliver his keynote address. Thank you very much, Mr. Jallo. It's all yours.
Sit down. Okay. Anna, where's the mic?
No, you don't need that.
Oh, okay.
You want to use this one?
I want my voice to be heard. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very, very much. Indeed, it's a great day and honor for me.
You have to speak up.
Yeah, but how you need day?
Yeah.
Honestly, lima buga moy. Ngeen deglu. Kadiba. Please aljali atu je follow. Al nga dia mo lamay wala ko maya. Follow ma wachi English, huh? Okay, thank you so much. I'm very happy today. It's a day that we've been looking forward to for the last couple of months. To have welcome among us one of the distinguished sons of Gambia in the diaspora by the name of Usman Madike Fall. Madike Fall represents the true Gambians in the diaspora who is always willing to work for the betterment of his country and his party. I remember 25, 26 years ago, myself and this gentleman here, Usman Njai, we started this PPP in America. I was the president, like he is today, in the diaspora. Usman was a member of the committee. We actually started it. So you see, it's a coincidence, or it's a God's gift that Usman is here present among us from America visiting the Gambia. So Usman, welcome. This is your job. About 27, 28 years ago. Sit down. "27, 28 years ago, when we started this thing, we never thought it's going to be this day we're coming today. We were fighting to get the dictatorship out of the country. And now we are trying to shoulder our own responsibility. But then the 27 years of our absence in the diaspora, there were Gambians, our brothers, who shouldered the party, sometimes single-handedly, sometimes collectively. Many years ago, from 1996, 1994 to perhaps 2001, OJ had some help in the names of Keba Jawara, in the names of Kamabaji, Lande Diallo Sonko, and just to name a few. They helped him carry the burden of the party for many, many years, maybe 10 to 15 years. But then, down the line, some of them passed away, others could not carry on the burden. The party was left with the soldiers of one man. I can say one man who carried the weight of the country and the party, and that is Honorable O.A. Jallow. Your tirelessness, your efforts has now really borne fruit. You can see among us here, the young ones and female who are really bent on making sure the party is on its feet and is moving. I'm sure when you go to bed today, you'll be very happy to see all these people here and to see the diaspora working with us. So thank you again once more, OJ. We truly appreciate. We cannot rewrite the history of PPP without your name being inscribed at the top. So again, thank you so much. Now the ball is in our court, OJ. The ball is in our court, the young ones who are carrying. Maybe I'm a young man now. I think so. only the afro is maybe the afro is out, but the heart is there. So thank you so much, Madike, Usman. And through you, we extend greetings and gratitude to your entire team. I talk to them on a frequent basis. We do communicate, we meet, and I know the passion they have for the country and for their party. And we extend our heartfelt greetings to them when you go back. Tell them that we appreciate this machine. No other party in the Gambia, we have 18 political parties. No other party has this machine except the PPP. So we are very proud. Only the PPP has this kind of machine. So thank you so much. It's not only a money-making machine, but it's a propaganda machine for the party. And thank you for your contribution. We truly and immensely appreciate it. Now the ball has changed. You in the diaspora have equal rights like we also in the Gambia. So you can participate fully to make sure the Gambia moves forward. Your being in America doesn't detract you from participating in the country. And again, thank you so much. Thank you. We truly appreciate it. Now the other thing I'm going to say is I stopped where OJ stopped. OJ stopped about 4 or 5 years ago, carrying the baton to Papa Njai. OJ single-handedly carried the party until Papa Njai came on. Papa Njai did his best, honestly. He tried very hard. Now he is also an ambassador somewhere. And through you, collectively, I was elected as the Secretary General. I'm doing my best to make sure the party moves forward. And I cannot do it. I could not do anything without your contribution. In the last 4 months, the election was in February, I guess. The last 4 months to now, we had some series of activities. One of them was we established committees, various committees of the party. The youth wing, the women wing, And the constitution was also amended to make sure we have a new constitution from 1959. The constitution is now amended to a new constitution to make sure that it conforms with the realities of the day. That is going to carry on for the next generation, hopefully. And that's what we did. We did the constitution here. We went to Congress. We did the elections, and some of us were elected. This gentleman here, Mohamed Daw, is an honorable member of parliament for Banjul for PPP. He also doubles as the deputy party leader of the party. So we also welcome him. Aja Duta Kamaso was also elected as the deputy chairperson of president of the party. Duta Kamato is the deputy president of the party, and I have Amit Jallo, who was also elected as the treasurer of the party. Acting president, yeah. Auntie Duta is the acting president of the party, so you saw that is elevated. So that is something. And now we have also among us those who were nominated and elected to the leadership of the party. The youth wing is Bakari Sise, as you know, is a dynamic and very promising young man. He's the president of the youth movement of the party. And you have Jenaba Jallo Ba as the women president. You have this lady here, Yamso. When OJ was really carrying the weight of the party, you had few people. One of them was this Yamso and Kumba and Mai. This Mai, where's Mai? And this Mai. They carried the weight of the party with him. In difficult times, when it really was hot, they carried it. Also, you had Laiba. Where's Laiba? When things were hot, Laiba was always there with OJ in difficult times, when Yaya was at the height of his power, threatening people. And you have this guy, Bojola here, my Jola boy, and you have all those boys there. So, you're full. Now, I'm saying this for us to recognize some of the people, for us to recognize the people that were present all the time. Now, apart from that, the party also distributed some freezers. When Ramadan, the party provided some freezers to various communities in the country, regions and countries, so that people will have cold water to drink after breaking your fast. So the party embarked on doing that. We also embarked on the first time. Well, PPP did it in the late 1980s. PPP was twinned with PS in Senegal. And also I remember, it was written in Sadora's book, OJ is the guy who led the Gambian youth to Dakar when Abdou Diouf was the president. So, so this thing link is a continuous process. PPP is a live 1969, exactly. OJ as a youth at that time, I'm sure he had that afro. so he led the youth to Dakar. Now, also, under our own leadership, we also established link with ANC of Parcel. And this leadership is something new. But the interesting part of it is that we have signed a relationship that is going to benefit both sides, women, youth, and everybody in it. So we also, on behalf of this thing, I have to thank the leadership of Senegal, the Moussa Sy, and the entire leadership who came here, and we also paid a reciprocal visit. We have to thank them for the reception and the warm reception they did for us. We thank him. We thank the ANC party for that. Also the Central Committee of the PPP during our regular meetings approved and agreed that the PPP, because of our core values is democracy, rule of law, and human rights. This is what PPP has been known for all our existence from 1959 to date. Because of that, democracy, human rights, and rule of law, that is what we have seen with President Barrow. That's why we support him from 2016 to date. He is a Democrat. He believes in rule of law, and he's very compassionate. He's a very, very compassionate person. So the party decided to support his candidature for December elections as our presidential candidate. That's what we agreed on. In the process, we will sit down with him and see how we can negotiate for other things. But for the candidature, we support him. We will sit down and negotiate certain aspects of the negotiation, and then we will come to know that later. This is what we have done for the last few days. And now, we have also gotten in touch with our brothers and sisters in the diaspora, and they assisted us in many ways, financially and in many ways. And now the best of the best gift is this machine. It's not only a printing machine, but also a propaganda machine for the party. So we thank you again, Mr. Fall. And our next thing, what we are going to do is to make sure that we focus on the MOC that we signed with Senegal, that let us put it into action. One of the ideas is for women of ANC to come to Gambia, and our women will also go to Senegal to do commerce. That we signed that understanding, that women will visit each other to do some business there. And the other thing is for the youth to do youth exchange programs. So these are things that we are going to consolidate and we work on it. These are some of the points that we discussed, and the PPP also is going to be busy for the next couple of years. During my term as the leader of the party, for 4 years' time, we will consolidate what we have, make sure we have committees in all the areas of the country, and the wards, and in the constituencies. These are some of the things that we plan to do for the future. And I know, OJ, we are very hopeful. I can tell you that we have the most serious and dedicated committee you can ever see. Everybody, look at this. This one, she can dance very well. And Auntie Duda is the mayor company. Grandma. Yeah. And when we started this thing, going throughout the country, it was only Uncle Sanusi and myself who crisscrossed the country many times. So you cannot complete the history of PPP without mentioning Uncle Sanusi Toure, who is a doyen of the party. And there are many of them here. If I say it, I'll be in trouble. But I want to acknowledge the presence of Uncle Toure and Usman Sajo and what's the name? Paseni. So, and who? Usman and my chairman, my own chairman is here. So we have to thank you all for your presence here. We will continue this, and we'll do the presentation, and if anybody has something to say. Usman.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yano, for those words of wisdom that you just shared with us with regards to this event. Now, according to the program proper, because it is a press conference, we have members of the press here. So we would invite the press to ask questions to our very party leader, Mr. Kevin Gallo. If you have any questions you want to ask, you can ask Mr. Gallup. And after that, we will do the closing remarks. We will call one of our party leaders, the parties of the national president, that will do the closing remarks on behalf of the party.
The mic.
Danny, you have any questions? Do you people have any questions or?
That was done already. Now we just. Yes, I have a question. I said I have a question.
Yes, you can come forward.
No, don't worry. Here it's okay.
My fellow people can hear your question.
My name is Landin Sise from Kerfatu. My question is basically earlier on, it was announced that the PPP will not contest for the 4th December elections. So the question that I want to ask, is it that the PPPs will still maintain that decision come December 4th, 2021 presidential election, or you have another plan before the election?
The PPP will contest elections. We have our candidate. Our candidate is President Barrow. We will not put up a candidate as a party, but with a coalition with other parties, our candidate now is, as we agreed, it should be President Barrow if he is going to contest. That should be made very clear. He is our candidate for the next election. There are issues that we will discuss. But as of now, we have endorsed President Barrow as a presidential candidate.
A follow-up question. Why do you want to coalesce with President Barrow, to support President Barrow come December election without coming out, having your own candidate to contest against President Barrow? Why?
Let me tell you. For us as a party, we believe up to now that there is this one, you have to go one, even if you win one vote, what's that? If a simple majority, if you have simple majority, you are the president. That's what is happening. We are still working on the 1997 constitution. That's a simple majority. As you know, the party is not that strong enough, to be honest with you, to put up a candidate and we win with a simple majority. So the best option is to look for the best of the best. And the best of the best is President Barrow.
Does that answer your question, or you still have another question? Okay. Landing is dominating the show here.
You said, the party is not strong enough to win the simple majority. So do you think coaliting with President Barrow come December election would give more weight to the PPP party in the next election? Like, it will make PPP to be prepared to challenge for the next presidential election if we have a new constitution that requires 50%, more than 50%, like the draft constitution.
I want to answer that question, gentlemen. In PPP, we have young intellectuals, and we are nurturing and mentoring them. And by the time you are talking about these young intellectuals, both in the diaspora, because they are Gambians too. Don't forget that we have Gambians in the diaspora, and they also have constitutional rights. So by the time you are talking about our intellectuals around here, both men and women will be ready and PPP will be ready to contest any election in the near future. Thank you.
Do we have another question from any of you here? That will be your last question.
My question is with regards to the court, granting the injunction that was filed by Tumanjai. What is the party stand on that? The response from the PPP leadership on the court decision.
This is the topic of the day, the court decision. But the PPP was never served to attend to any court. So we just hear it as you hear it. We have never been served. We have never gone to court. So we are continuing as a party. We have never gone to court. We hear it as we have been served at an injunction. Otherwise, we will not be here. Otherwise, if we are served at an injunction, the PPP believes the rule of law. If the judgment says that we have been served and there is an injunction, we will never do what we are doing today. But there is no injunction served on the party, and then we don't, for us it doesn't exist until we see it, and that's it. Thank you. No, go ahead.
Don't you think the fraction, like the Tumanjai's fraction from the party, will make the PPP to lose certain supporters?
No, let me go straight to the point. There is no fraction, there is no two-party in PPP. We had one Congress, and in that Congress, there was election. All these people that I mentioned here were elected, and I was elected there. Tumanjai was there. She participated, but she walked out. But for us now, Tumanjai is no more among us. She's history. She's expelled from the party. She's no longer PPP. I think that should close the chapter for Tumanjai, if you would agree with me. She is no longer a party member. She's been expelled from the party, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. On that note, we say thank you very much to all the party militants that have answered to our call in the name of the party. Now, what we have left is for our national president, Honorable Peter Kamaso, to do the closing remarks on behalf of the party. Ma is all yours.
Assalamualaikum suma mbokki PPP ak suma mbokki Gambia yi maa ngi nuyu suma secretary general Honorable Keba Jallow, our able secretary general. Itam mané our able secretary general biñ ko appointé ben tay parti bi demul gannaaw ci kanam rek la def. Xalaat bu baax lañu amel te dafa tooga ñun moom du wane man may wax moom dafa ne loo leen wax te loolu mooy yóbbu parti su ma jógee foofu dama nuyu suñ ndey mbila bi di Honorable Omar Jallow di bàyyi PPP di nijaay PPP di rakki PPP di doomi PPP di jàmbaar pour Gambia ak PPP yëpp ak doomi Gambia yëpp su ma jógee foofu dinaa nuyu suñ gan bu teeda bi Honorable Madike Fall Ousmane Fall kontaan nañ ci yow Ousmane jërëjëf comme ni ko suma secrétaire général waxee nga nuyul ñu waa diaspora bi te ñu ngi leen di gërëm guddi ak bëccëg su ma jógee foofu suñ high table bi PPP ñun day believe démocratie am nay góor am nay jigéen fu góor baax jigéen baax na fa ñu ngi am suñ national président di Honorable Jeynaba Bah ñi nga xam ne fu mu dem rek dinañu defal dara ci turi parti bi te lu baax rek laa def soo ñëwee ci angale loolu la dégga soo ñëwee ci olof ak pol ak soose loolu la gën a dégga kon jërëjëf Jeynaba ma ñëw naa ci suñ honorable bi suñ honorable bi nga xam ne semaine rek la dee def waxam bariwul di nuyu waale nag suñ kansilo Banjul bi di Mr Ba di nuyu suñ gan bu teeda bi tam di Mr Njie di doomi Badara Njie olof Njie nee na kew di topp doom bi mbota Njie sa tànki baay nga toppa xale yi yéen xamu leen waaye kii mooy doomi vice président yi Jawara time PPP kii la papaam daan woon ak hélicoptère bi soo leen ko xamul mu jóg ngeen gis ko kon kii tànki papaam la toppa Njie dama bëgg ñu gis la for the second time nit ñi dañ la war a xàmmee dama bëgg ngeen xàmmee nit ñi xale yi na ngeen xàmmee PPP jàmbaar yi nekkoon PPP ñoo jur ay jàmbaar yooyu ñoo mag ñu bokk PPP kon PPP dinaa leen wax ne wax baa ngi bari journaliste yi waaye PPP si kanam la dem ñun duñ dellu gannaaw amuñ benn fraction amuñ dara politique moo mel noonu danga am sa xalaat ma am suma xalaat ñu waxtaan ñu déggoo suñ munta déggoo nga dem ma dem PPP loolu mooy seen loi ñu fi amee na suñ jàmbaar yu baree bari du ma mun a tudda yëpp dégg ngeen honorable Yamso Sané dégg ngeen honorable Sanisou Touré dégg ngeen Bakary Cissé ay Karafay du ma mun a lim yëpp ay Famara yi ndaw yi bari nañ fi ñu ngi am suñ jali musoo bi nga xam ne mooy suñ jimbo bi ci suñ parti bi moo ñoo safal waaye PPP nag dama bëgg a ndaw yi dama bëgg a ngeen góorgóorlu ñun dama bëgg a ñun duñ toog ci table bi dama bëgg a di leen gis ci table bi next